Yo, what is good, everyone? It's your favorite Pokemon, Snorlax, back again with another video.
Hey everyone, as you guys can see, I just bought this huge Snorlax beanbag. It's 150 centimeters, which is about 4 feet, but this thing is super wide and it's so hard to fit in my room. I want to show you guys how this looks, from top to bottom, but it's huge, absolutely enormous. And yeah, I gotta move it out of the way so I can start this video. Oh my gosh, you guys can barely see me right now. I also forgot to mention that when I did buy the Snorlax beanbag on Amazon, it came unstuffed, so it just came with the skin. So I had to buy a whole separate order of 30 pounds of shredded memory foam, and it took a long time, a lot of shredded memory foam, but we finally got it. Now this is just something that I can keep in my room. I don't even know if I can include it in my videos just because I know that the diameter for my camera is not big enough to capture this huge buddy. But I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I know it's not sneaker related, but this is super cool. It's worth the investment even though it takes up a lot of room in my space. But yep, I have this Snorlax beanbag right here and I gotta put it back on my bed. Yo guys, what is good? It's your boy John Wong here, back again with another video. And today we're going over my latest pickup. And I'm so shocked that I was able to get a W on this drop. Alright, before I begin this video, I just wanted to say that over the last 2 weeks, it has just been extremely hectic for me. I've just been caught up in schoolwork and writing essays and everything for grad school. And it's been really hard to just balance my academic life with, this hobby of mine of making YouTube video for you guys. So I did miss a week or two, and I'm sorry for that, but I won't be able to upload this video around Tuesday or Wednesday, so a little bit earlier than you guys normally would receive my videos, which is on Friday. So hopefully that'll be able to make up for the time lost. And yeah, again, I'm sorry, I'm just really busy, but I'm trying my best to upload. But yep, as you guys could probably see by the title, we are unboxing my newest cop. You guys know what the shoe is, but I decided that I wanted to unbox them with you guys so that you guys can see my genuine raw reaction. So yes, this is my honest review. So yep, I've seen a lot of photos of these online. I've seen a lot of people do reviews on them, but I have yet to see them in my hand, and I wanted to open these up and see what my pair looks like, because I know that probably a lot of you guys know that when it comes to this pair, quality is a little iffy. But I want to give my honest take on this shoe. So without further ado, let's finally open the shoe and I'll shut up. All right. Ooh. All right, we got the box open, and I'll show you guys the first part of the unboxing, and that is the box itself. As you guys can see, this is a classic Air Jordan box. So let's just take it out. And again, guys, when I struck on these on sneakers, I got them for retail. I was actually shocked. To be honest, I kind of knew I was gonna get a W on a pair on sneakers eventually, just because I've been striking L's over and over again. And I knew that sneakers would finally bless me one day. I just didn't know that it was gonna be the white cement 3's. But I was so happy because this shoe is a classic. I know a lot of people definitely appreciate the shoe. For those of you guys who've watched my videos before, I've talked about this shoe on my top 10 most anticipated drops of early 2023. And this one was number 1. So as you guys can see, you see the box. It's supposed to come off as this very aged look, this vintage look, obviously because it is a reimagined alteration of the shoe. So yeah, it's supposed to look extremely old and worn out, sitting in a closet for, several decades. But as you guys can see by the size tag, we do have size 10 and Air Jordan 3 Retro. So let's open up the box. All right. Woo! What do we have here? I've never seen this actually. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's like a deconstruction of the shoe to show you how it's made. I've never owned a pair of Jordan 3s before, so I don't know what typically comes with a pair of 3s. And to be honest, I'm not going to be keeping this pair. It's just a good pair to stock up on the future. I know that it's definitely going to be the investment. A lot of people are going to sleep on these shoes, and in a couple of years, you know, the prices on the market is just going to go back up. So I want to keep this, save up for something that I actually want to get. So yep, let's take off the paper in 3, 2, 1. If I know how to do this. Woo! Oh man, this is my first time seeing these in person. Okay, all right. Oh shoot. All right. So here we have the Reimagined Air Jordan 3s in the white cement colorway. A lot of people love this shoe. I appreciate this shoe a lot. I have so much respect for it. I know a lot of people wish that they were able to cop this for retail, but yep, I'm kind of actually really grateful that I'm able to have the shoe in my hand. So here is a better look of the shoe. I should probably get one of those turntables that you can kind of see the shoe 360, but maybe I'll get that in the future. But yep, here you can see, I'll talk about all the little details as we go on. So yep, first things first, on your left pair, we do have the Nike Air tag that's attached to it. I think that a lot of people should probably take this off before they wear it. If you're gonna wear it with the shoe, it kind of looks really tacky. So starting off with the upper material, we do have the classic Air Jordan 3 leather. I wouldn't say that this is the greatest leather in the world. It's not that soft. It's a little on the rougher side, but it's still nice nevertheless. We have a pair of flat white laces. These do not come with any other pair. Moving on to the lace holes, these first ones on top are black, and then it moves on to a white colorway and then to a red part. Going over to the tongue, we do have a red embroidered Jumpman, classic for an Air Jordan 3. Moving on to the inner of the shoe, we do have a red inner lining with the tongue. On the inside, I'm not going to take out the outsole just because it's pain just to take it out and put it back in, but it is a red Nike Air insole. Going to the back, we have what everybody loves, and that is that Nike Air on the back. I know a lot of people are kind of bored and tired of the Jumpman on the back of the shoe, but we do have that Nike Air. Everyone loves that. The Nike Air just looks a lot better when it comes to a Jordan 3. And then moving on to, I believe this is the heel guard and the mud guard, we have that signature elephant print that Air Jordan 3s are known for. I'll talk a little more about that later just because there's some issues in detail and quality. Moving down to the midsole, we do have this matte black finish along with the signature Nike Air bubble right here. And then finally moving on to the bottoms of the shoe, we have the signature Nike Air Jordan 3 outsole. This is not really anything special or different compared to any other Jordan 3s. I wanted to mention that what makes this shoe different from the original Jordan 3 release is obviously it's in the name, it's reimagined. So Nike is trying to go for that vintage, you know, worn out vibe in their reimagined pair. So obviously the shoe is supposed to look a little bit older. I hope you guys can see this, but in the midsole it is more cream in contrast to the upper. So it is supposed to give that yellow vintage and old vibe. So I'm honestly a fan of that. I do like what Nike is doing with the reimagined pair. So the white cement Jordan 3s are just a timeless and classic sneaker for anyone to have in their collection. I think that you can never go wrong with a classic pair of white Jordan 3s. Honestly, I'm looking at these now and I'm messing with these, and I'm not sure if I do want to add them to my personals. Probably not, just because I do want the Ama Manier Jordan 3s. I feel like those are a little bit nicer. But yeah, these are super nice. I've never owned a pair of Jordan 3s before, and I think I should soon. Not sure if it's gonna be their white cements, but it will be a Jordan 3 in my collection eventually. So one thing I wanted to address is that I know there has been a lot of issues surfacing all over the web on people receiving their pairs with just bad quality. People are saying that Nike's quality control on the Reimagined white cement 3s is just not good at all. A lot of people are saying that when it comes to their elephant prints that it is inconsistent on the left and right pair. It's just not the same patterning. I don't really know if mines are all that different. To be honest, I feel like if they are different, I can't even really tell. So yeah, I'm looking at my pair. I think for the most part, my elephant print doesn't look too far off. I think it's pretty consistent throughout the left and the right shoe, so maybe I'm lucky with that. I can't believe that I struck a W on sneakers and I got these for retail. I know I briefly mentioned this before, but right now the white cement 3s Reimagined are going for about $60 or $70 over their retail price. But for you resellers, do not sell them if you're trying to make a profit. Hold on to them for a couple of months. I know that the prices will jump back up eventually. Maybe in a year or two, these will skyrocket. I can see them going up to maybe like $350, $400. A lot of people are going to be sleeping on these, so hold on to your shoes. I probably will hold on to mine as well. As for sizing, I'm not really sure how they fit on feet. I know this is my size, so I technically can try it on. I don't know if I want to do that just because I don't want to un-DS them. All right, as you guys can see, I ended up putting on the right pair, just trying it on. That doesn't mean that I'm going to be keeping them just yet, but I would say that they are true to size. They are probably your standard comfortability for any Air Jordan 3s. So with that being said, if you already have a pair of Jordan 3s, they probably fit like that. Obviously, they're not super soft, super plush, not like anything like Ultra Boost, but they do feel nice on my feet. I don't think that I would feel uncomfortable wearing this pair if I was like walking in the city. All right, back to the video. But yep, the only criticism that I might have of the white cement 3s that I have in my hand right now, I know it's different for other people's pairs. You know, everyone just has different quality controls on their shoes. But with mine, I feel like the leather could have been better. I don't think that they're really soft, and I could imagine the shoe creasing a lot, but what can you do, right? It is what it is. I think the only other thing that I can probably say about the shoe is that for you sneakerheads, if you guys weren't able to snag these for retail on sneakers and you really want a pair, now's the best time to cop them. Right now, they're going for, in my size at least, they're going for about $280, $270. So that is really good for resale prices right now. They will jump up, I can assure you that. So cop your pair right now. It's not even that much over the retail price. Just do it before they become like 400 and 500 bucks and you have to break the bank for them. I wasn't always a fan of Jordan 3s. I've never really liked that primarily white colorway that they do with most of their shoes. You know, it's just a white sneaker and I always like to go for something with just a little more color. But here, this is a classic shoe and I don't know, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep this shoe? Drop a comment down below because I do want to hear from you guys. I already kind of have my mind made up, but I would like to hear what the rest of you possibly have to say about this shoe. So here we have it. The Reimagined Air Jordan 3s in the white cement colorway. This is a classic shoe. So amazing. This is possibly my sneaker of the year. Not sure yet because I know we're still in March, so there's a lot more shoes that have to be released, but this is definitely in the top 10. Alright guys, there we have it. That's my honest take on the Reimagined Air Jordan 3s in the white cement colorway. But now I would like to hear from you guys. What do you guys think about the white cement 3s? Do you guys love them? Are they trash? Are they overrated? Are there too many pairs surfacing through the public? Let me know in the comments down below because I do want to hear from you guys. If you guys liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to hear more from me, smash the subscribe button, guys. Like I said before, I've been really busy lately, but I've also been trying my best to put in my absolute 110% effort into this channel. So I hope you guys can see the grind that I'm going for, trying to get to 1,000 subs by the end of the year. So please, I cannot do that without you. With that being said, these are my review of the Air Jordan 3 white cements, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.